box. Second one will be the, I'm not actually taking these out because I was told not to, but let me get you guys close up. Saw this on a previous video, the fuel injectors.
Big time, no man, diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is a Saturday. It's another video. I know you guys been waiting a while for this video. Well, the video is here. It is the MHI Stage 2 Turbo Build Overhaul of parts. So now, not every single part is here. We are still waiting on a couple parts, but the majority of it is literally right here. It is sitting right behind me next to the beautiful FK8 Type R. So without further ado, if you guys could please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, always be alerted for future uploads like this. Let's get this video started. Skylyfe. All right, y'all, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do box by box. Got the knife, right? Got the knife. And the first thing we're gonna open is actually from PRL. And I'll show you guys what this is. It is the PRL hardware gasket kit. So here's all the studs for the turbo, for the inlet pipe, for all the gaskets, everything like that are in here. Okay, here we go. Right there. There's another one, another set, I should say. And here, there we go. All right, so pretty basic, right? This is the hardware again, so you guys can see it all from PRL. We actually got one more right here. So everything you need to attach your new turbo MHI Stage 2 turbo or GT turbo, whatever you guys are using, the the RV6 turbo 660. Yeah, so that's the first box. Second one will be the, I'm not actually taking these out because I was told not to, but let me get you guys close up. Saw this on a previous video, the fuel injectors. These are by FK8 TD and they are 1350 cc. So 2, 4. All right, let's get on to the next box, shall we? This is, I'm sure you guys understand what this is. It says it right there. This is the DW300. Okay, let me try to get this open real quick. Here we go. All right, there it is, DW300, and it's obviously the low pressure fuel pump. So that's all there. Here is the lines, the connector for the, yeah. Okay, next one, I want to show you guys this real quick from MHI Turbo. Got a Honda flash drive, so I thought that was pretty cool. Shout out to Full Race, okay, for the turbo distribution. Now, the next one I'll show you guys is this box right here. Okay, I think I just killed the box actually. Oh, because it's like taped everywhere. Hold up. Is in this box. This is XDI, right? Get a close up right there. All right, this is the high pressure fuel pump. Give me a sec, I'm just trying to get this open real quick. There we go. All right, let me take it out here. You guys can see what's going on. Beautiful XDI high pressure fuel pump. I'm obviously gonna keep this in the plastic. This is $1,600, bro. But shout out to Axion Industries because Michael at Axion, he was able to give me my connect, my hookup for this fuel pump at a discounted price. So definitely shout out to Axion Industries. I'll throw them up right here. All right, hardware, everything. Put it back in the box in a sec. Got some nice decals. Show off that you got the XDI high pressure fuel pump. Show off your build, represent. Wow, you get Loctite in here too. What the? That's kind of cool. You need that, okay? And then obviously the end connectors, so. Okay. Really cool. All right, I'll put that back in a second. The next one we have here, actually I'm gonna do that one towards the end because it's special. This is from Rampage, you guys. These are the turbo studs in burnt titanium, right? So pretty simple, but I highly recommend these because you don't want to strip out your studs right onto the turbo. Speaking of that, you guys have seen this in previous videos, but this is the MHI Stage 2 turbo. So I just brought that out here again. Okay. Now, this box is by, look at that, Ceramicpronorthphoenix. I have the strut bar from them. They are a great company. I love their quality. So you guys are probably wondering, well, Jay, what is it? I'm gonna show you guys right now. And you guys can see right here. It is the Flex Fuel Kit by Ceramicpronorthphoenix. Now, this one actually is the special kit because it comes with, let me see if I can get a different angle, there we go. It comes with the, let me show you guys before I say anything else. All right, let's just show the connectors, the wiring. Okay, that's the first thing. Here's obviously the line, which is actually going to be replaced, which is a part I'm waiting for from FK8TD. It is the Ceramicpronorthphoenix braided, flex fuel line. So it's gonna have the red connectors on it and everything. So it's gonna be really cool. Trust me, you guys, it's gonna match the strut bar perfectly. All right, so, all right. Of course, Ceramicpronorthphoenix is very detailed, always with their directions, which is really cool. Freaking love Ceramicpronorthphoenix, man. This is why I didn't want to go the PRL route, because I really respect Ceramicpronorthphoenix, what they're doing. They have excellent customer service. They're always reaching out to me, so. Okay, here's more of, there's a lot of wiring here, that is for sure. And then obviously here is the whole processing unit for the lines and everything. All right, now, yeah, there's a lot in this box. This, what I wanted to show you guys, is really freaking cool because not only is it digital, it'll tell you your percentage of ethanol and everything you have in it. It is by Innovate Motorsports. I'm sure you guys have heard of this brand. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. Innovate Motorsports. And on top of that, okay, hold up. You get a little nice silver bezel, which I think is honestly pretty cool. I don't know if I'll use it, but it looks like it protects it more. And then the last thing is, look, we get a gauge pod, okay? This is I believe it's a 52 millimeter, looks like it to me, gauge pod. Doesn't specifically say on the website, but I imagined it is. Top of that, we have more little fancy gauge sticker readouts, white and black. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so shout out to Innovate, shout out to Serimoto. They work in conjunction with each other. Really cool. And then on top of that, we have another manual for the gauge. So yeah, there is a lot in this box. A ton. Like way more than I thought there would ever be. But now, what else? Here, let me get up here, y'all. I gotta get off the ground. Oh shit, my back. Okay. All right, so what else are we waiting for, right? Well, I told you the FK8 TD flex fuel line. Lost my thought for a second. We're waiting for that. So once that gets here, we're like literally ready to put the parts all in the car and everything. The second thing though is a big one, and I want to show you where it's at. Before I show you that, I do want to show you guys, I finally got my caps in. All right, boom. Yes, that is right. We are no longer running open-ended. We are closed with the Rays official gunmetal caps, or whatever it is, Club Racer gunmetal. Okay, so finally got one, and then obviously all four, but yeah, so looks really good. I don't know why I was running so long without them. They really complete the car. But yeah, we are going to be getting new gyro disc front brakes, because if you guys seen in previous videos, these brakes are freaking awesome, bro. I love them from Power Stop. They look amazing, they hold up, they're very good at braking, but I'm gonna need a little bit more stopping power on the front if I'm running 465 to 485 wheel. And the 91, I'll probably be running like 425, somewhere around there, maybe a little less, 415, 425. I'm going to switch between two different maps on the Honda, obviously, but definitely these brakes, the gyro disc, I've done a lot of research, you guys. They're, you know, they're two-piece floating. Either I'm going to go with them or Paragon, but most likely gyro disc, because it really just brings out the whole JDM effect with that tint of light blue. So trust me, you guys will see how it looks. I think it's really going to contrast with the red brake calipers from Brembo. But don't quote me on that. I don't know if I'm going, it's one of those two though. I promise you, either Paragon or it's going to be gyro disc. So that is what we are waiting for. Also, the last thing, I don't know if it's required, I'm still doing research on it, but I might need to get the upgraded fuel line from the XDI fuel pump, the braided one. That's $310, I believe, or something like that. That's from FK8 TD. Might need to add that, not positively sure, but either way, you guys, we are very, very close. There's a lot of unboxing here today. Still got more parts on the way, but we're really close. I appreciate your guys' patience. A lot of people thought I was bluffing on this MHI Stage 2 turbo build. No, bro, it's actually happening. It's gonna happen. And the M2, you know, G87 will hopefully come soon to the garage, to a theater near you. So let's wait for that video, but right now I want to finish my beautiful FK8 Type R project. Okay, want to get it all done and see how this bad boy handles everything. But with all that being said, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Much love, major blessings, never give up, never hesitate for a damn thing, always put your best foot forward, live life to your fullest. Blessings to everybody. This is Skylyfe Projects. Let's go.